Gracie with WTI, and I have finally found the perfect purse for my everyday wear. So this is the crossbody bag from JIVAESTILO, and I cannot speak more highly of it. So the number one thing I love about it is that it's made out of genuine leather. As soon as I read in the description that it was handcrafted in Italy, I knew that it had to be spectacular quality, and that's exactly what it was. The leather is so soft to touch, and it seems very, very durable. The chevron pattern stitching is truly impeccable, and I think it really adds character to this bag. And this cognac color is one of my all-time favorites. I think this earthy, warm color just goes with any outfit that I pair it with. I love that it comes with two different straps. So you've got the thicker fabric strap for a more casual look, or you've got the thin leather strap for a more trendy and dressy look. I love being hands-free when I'm carrying a purse, so it's nice that I can adjust each of these straps for that perfect crossbody length for me. And this black chrome hardware is not only gorgeous and it goes perfectly with this brown purse, but this hardware is actually really nice and solid, making it a breeze to change between the two straps. And I just love this tassel zipper. You can feel the individual leather strips, and they just add that girly and stylish look to this purse. And the zipper actually functions nice and smooth, which is a bonus. And this bag might look small, but check out how roomy it is on the inside. It's honestly perfect for my everyday essentials. Plus, it's even got another zippered pocket on the inside. This bag truly is the perfect blend of luxury but practical. So don't think twice about getting this for yourself or as a gift for someone that you love. And that's my point of view.